to learn classical guitar with Lovemore on Music Fundamentals Box. In the next few minutes, we are going to look at the parts of the guitar and the names of the strings. So we begin with the parts of the guitar. So we'll start with this part here. This is called the body. Okay, and the top part is referred to as the soundboard. And then we have this hole here. This is the sound hole. Okay, and here, this is the bridge, and the white part here is called the saddle. And then this is the neck. That's the guitar neck, and the front part of the guitar neck is referred to as the fingerboard or the fretboard. Okay, and these partitions here are what are known as frets. All right, and the top part here, this is called the headstock, and these are referred to as tuning pegs or tuning machines. All right, then this white part here is called the nut, N-U-T, right? And of course here we have the strings. Now a guitar like mine here has this part here. It's called a cutaway, and you can either get a classical guitar with a cutaway, or you can get yourself one with a traditional shape, which does not have this. This enables you to easily reach the higher notes there, right? So I think this is about it in terms of parts of the guitar. Now we get to strings and their names. All right, so this is the first string. The highest sounding string is the first string. Then we have the second string, the third string, the fourth string, the fifth string, and the sixth. So the string at the top is not the first string. When you hear someone referring to the first string, they are talking about this one. The top one is the sixth string. This is the lowest sounding string on the guitar. These strings are also known by the names of the notes that you hear when the string is played. All right. So for instance, here in standard tuning, that is, this is E, this is A, this is D, this is G, this is B, and that's E. Okay. So we have E, A, D, G, B, E. These are also known as open string notes. That is the notes that you hear when you do not hold down any fret with your left hand. Okay, so that's an open string. This is not an open string. Okay, so this is an open string E, open string A, open string D, open string G, open string B, and open string E. So those are the names of the strings on the guitar, and we've come to the end of this lesson. Please subscribe and click the notification bell in order to receive notifications each time a new video is posted. See you next time.